Hello everyone, how to freeze first column in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have a sales data. So here I'm going to freeze the first column order ID. So go to the view tab. In window group, click on the freeze pen drop down arrow and click on here the freeze first column. And that's it. Here the order ID column is freezed. When I scroll here, the right hand side, you can see the first column is visible. Okay. I just go to the again freeze pane option and click on the unfreeze it. Now I just scroll the right hand side. You can see the first column is not visible. And the second way to freeze first column, in second column, select the first cell. And after that, go to the freeze pen and click on the first option of the freeze pen. And that's it. Your first column is freezed. I just scroll right hand side and here you can see the first column is visible in scrolling. So this is the two way you can freeze first column in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.